So let's just kind of like go over the box here. You know, it's small. When you see it's small, it's plug and play. It's colorful. It's stable connection. It's smoothly and it's sleek. Well, I don't know how many cool features that is, but you know what? It's cool enough. Wow, that is tiny. Look at this thing. That is a, it's like the size of my thumb. Look at that. That is a tiny little adapter. And what this is, everybody, this is a Wi-Fi adapter for CarPlay. So you just plug this in, and I don't know, is it CarPlay for Android? Does it use Android and CarPlay? It does. So this is actually wireless car. I don't have an Android, but I have iPhone, but this goes wireless CarPlay and Android Audio. You know what? Let's take it outside. Let's plug it up to the van, see how this thing works, and see if it does everything that it's claimed to do. Because I've used these in the past, but I wanted one that's real tiny to put in my other car. Look at that. That thing is small. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's put this thing to the test now. So they give you a couple little adapters. It looks like you get a USB-C adapter. And the way that does, that just plugs in right there. So if your car or truck is a USB-C, that'll work. But then what mine is, it's just a regular USB-A. So I'm going to go ahead and put the little extension on there, just like that. And then because of where mine's at, it's up under here. Plug it in just like that. And then I'm going to leave it hanging down, but I can put it behind the dash. And then let's turn it on and see what it does. It lights up all kinds of colors. Mine is anyway. It looks like it's got red, green, and blue colors going on it. Before using the equipment, please cancel the pairing between the mobile phone and the original vehicle's Bluetooth. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, I just went ahead and canceled the pairing. Use CarPlay. So there it is. It says use CarPlay. This thing's working. I guess it's working. That hasn't changed yet. Okay, now look, everybody. It just now kicked on. I have CarPlay up. CarPlay is active on my phone right here. I can lay my phone. Notice there's no wires, but then check it out. Let's zoom in a little bit here. Y'all see that? This works. Settings. This is settings on my phone. Now this is an aftermarket. This is a Pioneer. I think it's called the AV 400 or 420. And it's not going to be, yours might be a little more responsive than mine since this is a very old system right here. There's driver focus. I'm just going to kind of like go through some of the settings. Now these are settings on the phone. You can adjust this on the phone. Go back to, I've got calendar. You can open the calendar. No events today. Settings, Amazon, Google Maps, my podcast. There's my radar. That's what I really like. I like this one because, well, I can't show you the address, but I like that one because it gives you weather updates of your location. Moving over that way, telephone, music, maps, messenger, playing. There's the next. That's on my Pioneer app, my podcast. So by the way, you can customize your apps however you want them. Like I said, this is an older model screen. YouTube Music and Zoom as far as my last ones. I don't know about having a Zoom call. Maybe you could have a Zoom call on your phone. Let's go ahead and turn it off. So I'll turn it off, turn it back on. I'm not going to start the van, but let's just let it run and see what it does. Now I'm not connecting. You see now it does my loading screen. Pioneer, you can see it does the adjustment there. By the way, this is a 2005 Ford van, and this head unit was one of the better purchases I'd made for this van. This is also a DVD player. I think it's going through. It's cycling through. It's just now, the USB just came on. So the first thing it does is pull up Pandora for me, but I can go here and we can hit mode. That's what I do. I hit mode, or that's the mode. I actually don't use this much. See the CarPlay pull up, hit the CarPlay button, bam. I didn't do anything. All I did was start it. Let me show it to you here. It just shut it off, but this is it right here. So yeah, that thing is tiny. That would hook up just pretty much anywhere. So that's all I got today, everybody, on the, a small little Bluetooth adapter. See you on the next video.